Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I'm going to finally solve one of my problems here in the shop. I got drill bits all over the place. I got them over by the drill press, I got them in my toolboxes, I got them in drawers, I got them hanging on the wall, I got them over my window. I really want to get all those into one spot. And I've been playing around with SketchUp here a little bit, and I think I've came up with the solution. It's a cabinet that will go underneath the drill press and also hold all my drill press accessories.
when you have magic.
Alright, I got the project done. It turned out very well. I'm very pleased with it. I got the front faces on. Of course, the grain goes through the whole cabinet, and it looks like one piece of plywood, which is what I wanted. The only thing left to do now on this cabinet is to put some drawer pulls on here, and I think I'm going to hold out and try to cut them on a CNC machine or have somebody do that for me. I kind of like to match what I got on the miter station wall, and I'll put a picture of it over here. So I'd like to match those throughout the rest of the cabinets in the shop. This cabinet is going to be mostly for drill bits. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I got drill bits all over the place, and I'd like to have one central location for them. Down here at the bottom, this is just a false face, and I got some knobs down here to lock the cabinet to the drill press. Of course, this would be a good setup with wheels if you had a benchtop drill press as well. This would work out really well for that. This is roughly about 12 inches deep and roughly about 15-16 inches wide, if I remember right. I did put a top on this just to kind of dress it up a little bit, but in this application you definitely don't need a top for it. The top would be more for if you're going to put a bench top drill press on top of this, and then wheel it around the shop if you wanted to. So that's definitely a good option for this. I got enough drawer space in here to put all my drill bits in, and also some of my drill press. Hey Poochie, come here. Jenny. My dog. And enough space in this cabinet to put my drill press accessories in. So this is going to work out real well for me, and I'm very happy that it's done. The only thing, like I said, get some drawer pulls, and this will be 100% complete. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.